Let's revisit the key points for Father's Day videos from part 1. Leverage Meta's Andromeda AI for automated, precise Father's Day ad targeting by prioritizing video quality. Your key task is creating personalized products and videos that resonate with your audience.
Now let's talk production, because this is where AI changes everything. You do not need a camera crew anymore. Your first priority is the hook. The first 3 seconds decide whether someone scrolls or stops. That means opening with premium visual texture immediately. Product unboxing shots, leather close-ups, engraved wood, matte canvas details. Tools like Runway, Kling, and Pika are now good enough to create photorealistic product sequences that actually feel premium. Then keep your script short. 15 seconds of spoken audio is usually enough. A simple framework that works well is:
he's graduated from the pun. He's mastered the craft. This Father's Day, give him something that matches his level. Comfort meets a legacy.
For voiceovers, deeper cinematic voices tend to perform best for premium gifting angles, and always design vertically for reels. 15 to 30 seconds. Fast pacing, clean looping. But here's the biggest lesson most sellers miss. Volume matters more than perfection. Meta's system performs better when you feed it lots of creative variations instead of obsessing over one polished hero ad. 10 to 20 unique creatives per campaign is the sweet spot. Different hooks, different products, different overlays, different edits. The more variation you give the AI, the better it gets at finding buyers.
Even great creative can fail with the wrong campaign structure. In 2026, fragmented campaigns are hurting performance. One consolidated campaign with enough data almost always outperforms multiple tiny campaigns fighting each other. The recommended setup is simple. Run one Advantage Plus shopping campaign. Upload all your Father's Day creatives into it. Use broad targeting or Advantage Plus audience. Then let Meta distribute the right creative to the right person automatically. And don't panic during the learning phase. The algorithm needs around 50 conversion events per week before performance stabilizes. That means killing campaigns too early is one of the biggest mistakes sellers make during seasonal pushes.
For budget allocation, a strong structure is 70 to 80% into prospecting, 15 to 20% into retargeting website visitors and cart abandoners.
That retargeting layer is where you recover high-intent shoppers who didn't buy the first time they saw your ad.
Once your creative is strong, your copy should reinforce the same premium positioning. Keep it clean, short, sophisticated. Instead of cliché Father's Day messaging, try lines like, "For the dad who's too sharp for a pun." Then focus on craftsmanship, personalization, and quality. And remember, Advantage Plus may automatically remix your creative, adjust brightness, crop your videos, or rewrite parts of your copy in real time. So your job isn't controlling every tiny detail anymore. Your job is feeding the system strong creative inputs. That's the real shift happening in 2026. The sellers scaling fastest aren't the ones with the fanciest production teams. They're the ones producing enough high-quality creative angles for Meta's AI to learn from. And with GearLaunch products plus AI video workflows, that process is faster than ever. Father's Day 2026 is not about making more ads. It's about making smarter creative. The combination of AI-generated video, strong product positioning, and Advantage Plus delivery is creating a massive opportunity for POD sellers willing to adapt early. So start building your creative library now. Test multiple dad personas, focus on premium visual storytelling, and let Meta's AI do what it was designed to do. Find the buyers most likely to convert. If you're building your Father's Day lineup, GearLaunch gives you the products, customization tools, and flexibility to launch fast before the gifting rush hits. The sellers who prepare now will own the highest intent shopping window of the year.